folks, if you get tonsil stones, then you need a lighted medical pick coupled with a dental irrigator. The lighted pick can quickly, safely, and efficiently remove tonsil stones. The link below includes the best tonsil stone removal tool, an extra set of batteries, 3 heads of various sizes, a dental irrigator, a 10-pack of nitrile gloves, and a case to put it in. These are hand inspected and shipped from the USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. So you get the irrigator, the lighted medical pick, gloves, batteries, and a case, all for under $15. And we'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.